Hey, Jake with B&H. Today we're taking a look at the Godox RGB Mini Creative M1 on-camera video light. And we're going to be using a few of them to create 4 simple lighting setups. So let's check out the light. The Godox M1 is an extremely slim, compact, and sturdy light that can be mounted directly on top of your camera or on a light stand. It weighs only 8.47 ounces and it's only 0.6 inches thick. That's not much bigger than my phone. There is an articulating arm that folds down compactly that allows you to mount the light in a variety of configurations through its multiple 1/4-20 mounting threads. It even makes a great desk stand. But what makes this light so versatile are all the modes built into it. It has a CCT mode that gives you a temperature range from 2500 Kelvin up to 8500 Kelvin, an HSI mode that provides a full 360-degree color range, an impressive special effects library of 15 effects. It even has a music mode, but we'll get to that a little later. For our first setup, we're going to do a simple key and background light with a little help from a reflector to help fill in some of the shadows. In CCT mode, we can dial the brightness in from 0 to 100%. The key light is set to 5600 Kelvin, and we have a warm 2500 Kelvin for the background. Let's test out the HSI mode and see what these colors can do. Our next setup is going to focus on the HSI mode by dialing in dramatic and saturated colors to create a specific mood. While in HSI mode, you can control the brightness and saturation of every color on the color wheel. We're using 2 lights to bathe the scene in deep blue color while using a red tone as a kicker. The light has a CRI and TLCI of 97, so you know you'll be getting extremely accurate colors. With the special effects mode, we decided to set up a little scene from a previous B&H video using 2 of the effects, an ambulance and a fire. Certain effects have up to 3 modes built in to control the speed and duration of them. The flashing red and blue lights create a realistic effect along with a subtle glow from a fire that is lighting up our character and splashing our background. Other effects include cop cars, lightning, candles, TV, fireworks, strobe lights, and more. For our last setup, we're going to utilize my favorite feature in the M1, the music mode. There's a microphone built into the side of the light that can match pulses of light to the beat of the music. When you're in Special Effects menu, just scroll down to the music mode and let a song play. The light will then match the beat of the song. This is a great feature for matching music that will be added in post to a scene in a film, or a great way for lights to react to a beat in a music video. We're gonna have a little party here, so if you'll excuse me. The M1 is an extremely versatile light that is jam-packed with features usually found on much bigger lights. There's an internal battery that can be charged via the USB-C port on the light itself, which will power it for 2.5 hours at full power. This allows for the slim design of the light to stay slim, whether it's in use or packed away. You don't have to worry about a battery sticking off the side or adding additional weight. So what do you plan on shooting with the Godox M1? Let me know in the comments below. This is Jake with B&H. Just keep rolling.